What's up, guys? So if you don't know already, I actually went and picked up another bike the other day. And no, I'm not talking about my Yamaha R9 right here. I'm actually talking about this. This is my new to me 2019 Kawasaki Z125. And I picked this thing up for a really good deal. I'll get into that a little bit later. But these last couple of days, I've honestly been having more fun on this bike than on my R9. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this back in here because we are not riding this bike today. So I've been talking about buying this bike for the longest time, but I finally pulled the trigger the other day. And I bought this thing for the same reason that a lot of other people do. Pretty much just to get better at wheelies. Obviously this thing's not stunted out, but I do plan on buying some stuff for it. I'm going to buy a 12 bar first. So that way when I loop it, it won't be like too big of a deal. But yeah, somehow I managed to only pay like $1,000 for this thing, which is kind of crazy for like a pretty much mint condition Z125. Well, I say almost mint, but the starter just went out, so I kind of have to bump start it. Oh yeah, but I mean, other than that, this thing is completely perfect. It's never been dropped, which is actually really crazy for a Z125 or a Grom. But yeah, it's pretty much all stock. I just took the mirrors off, and it's got an actual Yoshi exhaust, which I don't know why someone's gonna spend the money to get an actual on-brand exhaust for a little mini bike like this, but I'm not complaining because I got it for free. So yeah, I think the plan for today, I'm just gonna go ride around on this. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy's house. He's gonna take his Z125 out. I'm just gonna mess around for a little bit, and then there's supposed to be a lot night tonight. It's supposed to be like 5 or 6 guys bringing out their bikes. Man, this thing's so fun. I just love being able to mess around on this thing. Man, this thing's slow though. That's the craziest thing I've noticed about this, is just going back and forth between practicing wheelies on this thing and then jumping onto my R9. It's just a completely different feeling. But yeah, I've got this thing up to like 67, 68 miles per hour, which isn't too bad for this little thing. I think it makes like 7 horsepower. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I think I've been having more fun on this thing than I have been on the big bike. Let's see if I can do a little something here. Just banging off limiter at balance point. I've only had this thing for a couple days, but I can already notice like a really big improvement in wheelies. I'm trying to get circle wheelies next. I just can't get the clutch control down. Oh, I ignore that noise. Stoppies are pretty good on it too. See if I can jump this. Bro, this thing is so slow that it's just fun. I don't know, it doesn't make sense. It pops too. See how fast we can go. Oh, I'm redlining! If you've never ridden a little bike like this, I promise if you go out and ride one, you're gonna want to buy one. It's just so slow. Oh yeah. I've pretty much been full pin since we left. Kind of have to if you want to go the speed limit, but yeah, I don't know how much I talked about this bike. I kind of forgot, but this thing's got like a little over 1,000 miles. I think when I bought it, it was like exactly on 1,000. And normally these things go for like, oh wait, hold up. And yeah, normally these things go for like 2,500 to 3 grand in that condition. And I did get this on a trade, but if you like do the math, I basically paid $1,000 for it. Oh, this guy's trying to race me. Oh no! But yeah, I'm happy with the deal I got on this thing. I think I'm gonna keep it. Normally whenever I get a new bike, I try to flip it, but this thing seems really fun. And I think if I keep it for a little bit and stunt it out, I'll get pretty good at wheelies. The only problem is I live pretty far from any stunt lots that people go to, and that lady did not approve. Yeah, I live pretty far away from the stunt lots, so I pretty much either have to ride this thing like fully pinned for a half hour straight, or just load it up into my truck and drive there, which I think that's what we're gonna do tonight, is load the bikes up. And my buddy here, he has a fully stunted Z125. I've only ridden that thing like once, but well, that guy isn't too happy, I don't think. Well, bro's chain fell off his Z, so I guess they're all gonna be on the big bikes tonight, and I'm stuck on that thing. I feel a little bit left out, but we're about to go pick up my other buddy on his Grom, and that guy's crazy on that bike. You'll see here in a minute. I'm gonna bump start this again. Aw, man. Oh yeah, see if I can do some wheelies. Oh man, I can barely get up to speed. See if I can roll a decent stoppie. Oh, that was not a decent stoppie. Oh, burnout on him. I don't know how people do burnouts on these things. It doesn't work. Time to full throttle this thing the entire way. The sky's already looking a little yellow. Apparently there's like a bunch of wildfires going on in Canada, so all the smoke is just coming down into like Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Indiana. It's supposed to get really bad tomorrow, but I can already kind of notice it and smell it a little bit. Ah. Almost wrecked. Oh, what the hell? Oh, man. Yep. Man, I need to get back on the R9. Even the 400's gapping me. I mean, all jokes aside, this thing's actually pretty freaking comfortable to ride. Like, it's just so small, it feels like I'm riding a bicycle, but I'm going like 55 miles an hour. Oh yeah, time to actually have some fun. What's up? It's probably the strangest group of bikes I've ever seen. We got a Grom, we got a Z, ZX10, ZX6, Z400. We got all the Zs. Oh yeah, here we go. This is awesome. See if I can pop it up. Pissing off the whole neighborhood. Oh shit! It's crazy. Bro, I want to race the Grom. I think I'll win, honestly. Oh, here we go. Oh! I think I got him! Oh yeah! He's still full tuck. Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording till we get to the lot because I don't want my battery to die. But yeah, I'll see you in a second. Well, as you can see, we made it to the lot. Still waiting on a couple people, but I'm trying to work on my foot down so I can get the circles good. This guy's over here just doing no hands. I just don't know how people turn so easily in a wheelie. I gotta be going so slow. Dude, it's so much better than the Grom. Here, ride it. He rides my bike one time and he's sitting no-handers already. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah, this guy can ride my bike better than me and he's been on it for like 10 seconds. Yeah, that's crazy. Damn, I gotta get those circles down. I just gotta get the coasters down. Like, I keep hitting the brake too hard and then I just fall. I don't know how to practice that without eating shit. I need to get a cage on this thing so I'm not afraid to loop it. That'll let everyone ride my bike. Hopefully it doesn't get wrecked. I kinda wanna get back on the ground. It's been a minute since I rode this. Oh, this feels so much different. It also feels bigger. Oh, what the hell? This is weird. I'm not even touching brake, I'm just slowing down. I'm not used to how far back balance point is. I have to try clutching coasters. I'm either about to get it first try or loop my shit. And I pulled the clutch in. I didn't really coast. I think I can get that. I just gotta not go too far back. Woo! I did it! By the end of the day, I'm hitting the rev limiter coasters. I'm calling it now. Oh! It's the best one I've ever done. Bro, I understand it now. This guy just does it so effortlessly. No-hander. Woo! I did it! Did you see that? Yo! Well, I stopped recording and I kind of forgot to start recording again. But I was here for a couple hours. Some people showed up. I let my friend wheelie it. He looped it. But yeah, I let my buddy ride it. He looped it once. And then I got back on it and I actually looped it also. Pretty bad. I was going like 30. I didn't have my gloves on, so my hands are a little bit messed up, but it is what it is. I made a lot of progress. I'm getting those clutch coasters down. I don't feel like doing one right now, so I'm gonna throw a clip in. But yeah, we're going home, so I'm gonna kind of end the video now. So I'll probably make more videos on this thing. Hopefully I buy like a actual stunt cage for it so I don't keep destroying it, because like the tail light's broken, one of the turn signals is broken, the Yoshi exhaust is all scratched up. So like this thing was in mint condition before today. Kind of messed it up a little bit, but it is what it is.